Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who is rarely mistaken in his predictions regarding Apple technology, claims that the iPhone SE2 is scheduled to begin sales in the first quarter of next year. The device will receive a powerful A13 chip, like the 11th family of iPhones, 3GB of RAM, a 64GB/128GB drive and an iPhone 8 style design. The price tag, according to Mr. Kuo, will be from $399, like the original SE at the start. It is significantly cheaper than all current iPhone SE2, potential budget super hit? One way or another, the success of the iPhone SE2 in our country is almost inevitable. In the territory of high popularity are inexpensive iPhones. According to the research company, the leaders in 2019 are iPhone 7, 6, SIXS, and SE.